Home fire alarm installation can enhance the efficiency of your home security system. The right type of installation can suit the unique features of your home and your family's lifestyle. In addition, you can hire a tasker to verify the proper placement of your alarm. Here are some tips to make your fire safety system work as effectively as possible. After a thorough inspection, install your fire alarms. Then, you can test them to ensure they're working properly. In addition to home fire alarm installation, consider having a fire extinguisher on each floor of your home. Make sure that you install at least 2 fire extinguishers on every level of your home. Additionally, your main protection should include a 10B or C rated unit in your living room and the kitchen. Be sure to install smoke alarms in other areas of your home, such as the garage. The gauge should be checked regularly to ensure that you have an effective system. There are interconnectable models of the Kidde HD135F, which responds to the temperature and sounds an audible alarm when it detects a hazardous situation. When it comes to home fire alarm installation, it's important to keep a few things in mind. First of all, you should have a professional install your system. You can do this on your own, or you can hire a professional. You'll have peace of mind knowing that you've made the best choice for your home. The professionals will do everything for you, leaving you less stressed and more time to relax. Second, you should consider your home's safety. A fire alarm can be helpful in a number of different scenarios. For example, you might leave your lasagna in the oven too long, causing it to burn. If you're not the type to hear high-pitched noises, you can still use flashing lights to alert you of an emergency. This can help you get out of bed quickly if a fire starts. Third, you should know the proper placement of the smoke alarm. It's crucial to place smoke alarms at least 20 feet away from combustion appliances, 10 feet away from areas with high humidity, and 3 feet away from heat/AC vents. Also, make sure you have a smoke alarm installed in each bedroom, stairwell, and every level of your home. A fire safety expert will be able to give you tips and tricks for maximizing your home's security system. In addition, you should have the alarm installed on every level of your home. A fire safety expert can install smoke alarms in any room of the house. You can also have it installed by a licensed contractor. You should also consider getting an electrician to install the smoke alarms in your home if you're not sure what you're doing. Many of them offer free estimates and will even come to your house for installation. When installing a smoke alarm, you should also make sure to power it off, as this may lead to issues with your smoke detectors. Often, fire alarms are installed on the same circuit as your lighting system, so you don't have to worry about a wire. This way, you'll have access to your smoke alarm in case of a fire. If your home has a smoke alarm, you'll have a way to monitor it even if you're not at home. Before installing a smoke alarm, it's important to test the unit regularly to check if it is working properly. To do this, you need to turn on the smoke alarm and wait for it to sound. The alarm must also have a working battery. The battery should be replaced after every few months, so that it stays in good condition. Moreover, you should install the alarm in every room where smoke can easily penetrate. If you want to install smoke-proof smoke detectors, it's important to consult with a qualified installer. Having a fire alarm installed is essential in protecting the home. However, you should have a plan in place in case of a fire so that everyone can evacuate safely. Using a smoke alarm, the entire household will know what to do when a fire breaks out. It will be easier for them to avoid smoke inhalation and ensure that everyone is safe. During a fire, it's important for the whole family to know where to go, who should be alerted, and how to react.